Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Nikon D600, bundled with the AFS Nikkor 24 to 85mm and AFS VR Zoom Nikkor 70 to 300mm lenses. This full-frame powerhouse boasts a 24.3 MP CMOS sensor, a 39-point AF system, and a wide ISO range from 100 to 25, 600. The 3.2-inch LCD with 921,000 dots provides a crisp display for composing your shots, and the 100% viewfinder coverage ensures you won't miss any details. The camera's 5.5 frames per second continuous shooting is perfect for capturing those dynamic moments. When it comes to video, the D600 doesn't disappoint, offering full 1080p HD recording at various frame rates. Whether you're into 30p, 25p, or 24p, the D600 has you covered. And if you want to get creative, there's even 720p HD at 60p and 50p for silky smooth playback or slow motion effects. One notable feature is the adoption of the multi-CM 4800 autofocus sensor module, providing 39 focus points for precise subject acquisition and tracking. And let's not forget about the Wi-Fi compatibility. Pair it with the optional WU1B wireless adapter, and you can easily transfer your photos to your smart devices. Now, about the lenses. The AFS Nikkor 24 to 85mm f3.5 to 4.5 GED VR and the AFS VR Zoom Nikkor 70 to 300mm f4.5 to 5.6 GIFD. These compact zoom lenses, equipped with Nikon's vibration reduction technology, deliver sharp, vibrant images across various focal lengths. In terms of build, the D600 is solid, with dimensions of 5.6 by 4.4 by 3.2 inches and a weight of 42 ounces. The camera accepts both AFS and AF lenses, and it's fully compatible with AI lenses for metering. In conclusion, the Nikon D600 2-lens kit offers a versatile setup for photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an enthusiast looking to level up, this bundle provides the tools you need to unleash your creativity. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.